Let's ditch that.
I had a mate who crawled under here.
What? Where the
left-hand side.
Yeah.
Probably one of the most dangerous, reckless things I've ever seen, but my God, it was wonderful to see.
Nice to see the roots in the ceiling. It's quite a tall chamber considering how low it is.
That bending wire there. What is that black thing?
Looks like a hard cap or something. Looks like there's a staircase to it. Yeah, there's graffiti all over this. People come here often. And glow sticks and all sorts of common methods of people finding their way. Thank you for that, it's lovely. Nice big chunky vein that is. So you were saying that the basic gist of the story was the mother wanted the child to go exploring, go caving, mining like they wanted to. They came down here without any equipment, in lockdown, and got stuck. What did the woman hurt herself? Was it?
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
Twisted her ankle or something, and then they had to blast open the entrance.
Yeah, so it's a bit bigger now.
Some people are quite daft. Oh, that's a chute. That would have been from either, depending on which area we are, top or bottom. Oh, in fact, I can see the other end of it. I can see the end of it. Yeah, they just take your stuff down the chute. Yeah, that whatever that chute was going, it's been crushed. It has collapsed. Because the ladder is very much part of that chute now. Can't really make a lot of this graffiti out anymore, can you?
Why?
Why? Those stickers.
No, but why?
Oh yeah, why?
Urbex.
Underground, I think. Oh no, the Urbex, this is England.
Yeah, whatever. So I think if you're comfortable.
Right.
Don't put that in. Or do, I don't care.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all just black.
And it creeps you out, it's so weird.
Looks like someone was writing a poem in here. The old graffiti like this was just made with a candle, wasn't it? It was just soot.
With a carbide torch, yeah. Oh, light.
Yeah, that's it, carbide. Oh, there you go. That's really crystal clear, isn't it?
TS. Gully. J. Hindu. 1280. 1200.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. No, that's almost identical to the one in Pools, wasn't it? That handwriting.
Be careful,
1914 as well. 1971. But yeah, that looks like 1792. There's a big red one. 1768. 1884. Nice. And that's good
Land
stuff.
of Dope and Story. There's another one, Legalised Weed. Or something around here. So this is the main chamber that people like to show off the graffiti.
Yeah.
You've got I mean, the trogs come out here basically.
Oh, it's a nice chamber, isn't it? Yeah, there's the Trogs logo again. Oh, that's a cool little thing.
It's everywhere.
Wings. That's a big Trogs logo, and it says Trogs on it. Gully Trogs. When were the Trogs about? What was it? 60s? 60s motorbike gang. That makes sense.
1677.
That's very well done.
It gets best at the front and then it kind of loses quality
Yeah.
as we go down. Where the fuck is that chamber? We missed the special chamber with
COVID.
Oh, that would be a good example to use actually.
Luke P. An arrow to the left. Is he down there?
We will we'll film that as well because that's actually really, that dates it, because
Yeah.
then you've got, is this then bad graffiti? But it shows that it was in the COVID era, which is what we're becoming.
Which
Yes,
in the future would be interesting to other people.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a bit of mould in here. Quite a bit of mould. Oh, wow. The show cave staircase.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Yes, this is a show cave, Joe Minor.
Right, going up the stairs.
This is it though, look. This is the famous mural.
Oh my god, that's absolutely coated, isn't it?
Yeah, this is famous.
So this presumably is the entrance the Trogs went in. Up here.
Be careful, it can be dodgy.
Okay. Did you follow the tall path before?
What, have I been up there before?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
That went further than I thought.
Oh yeah, it doesn't
It went to a point where I had to turn back before I thought you would murder me. There's not really much of a draft, is it?
Not much. I know we're safe. I know it's a safe line.
I mean, we can test this. So, oxygen level's 20. Yeah,
Is that good?
that's good.
So it's moving slightly.
Yeah.
That. And then if you blow it out,
Oh yeah.
it's moving like. There's a bit of.
Good test.
That's what I'm doing.
Actually, I'll leave that on for now.
Alright, so how do you want to do this?
Gosh, so people have been eating crap ton in here, haven't they?
Yeah, well this is the meeting room. This is where the trogs hang out. This is where others hang out. You can see COVID 2020 up there. 19 COVID 19.
Yeah. 2020 COVID-19.
Right. So mister.
Time to film your part.
Which bit of graffiti has impressed you the most, and we'll make that the first shot.
I quite like that.
You like this?
That figurehead.
Yeah.
And it's right next to the Trogs, so.
Last but not least, I've got a lovely crack in my wall. What the